Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video and welcome to Ojuolape Space. So today I'm going to be taking you on how to start an online business, tips on how to start an online business. You've been seeing a lot of people making money online and you don't know how to go about it. Yes, so this video is for you because I'm going to be sharing tips on how to start an online business. So if you're a student, if you're a stay-at-home mom, or you want to add to your side also and you don't know how to go about this online business, so I'm going to share the tips as a beginner, as a starter, on how you're going to start making money online. So let's ride on to today's business. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is things you needed to start your online business. To start your online business, you need three things. Number one, you need your phone, your laptop. If you have Android phone or iPhone, you're good to go. Number two, you need to have a digital skill. If you don't have a digital skill, you have to learn digital skill. And number three, you need to have zeal. Zeal to start online business, because this is not a business. You need someone to persuade you to start, or you need someone to keep on pushing you on how to start this business. You actually have to start this business and push yourself through until you start making six figures. So let's ride on as we commence on tips on how to start online business. So after you've had your phone, you have laptop, or you have your Android phone, then you're good to go. So what is the next thing? The next thing is for you to have a high income digital skill. So having a high income digital skill, the skills you can actually learn them online. So the first one I'm going to be looking at right now, we're going to be looking at the copywriting. If you've not heard of copywriting before, copywriting is ability for you to use words to persuade people in a printed material, to persuade people to buy from you. So let's just go on a layman English. As a layman English, copywriting is a sales on print. That does mean you're writing to tell people this is what I have, and people are actually coming back to buy what you have just by reading what you wrote down. And this skill, you don't need to have a degree, you don't need to go to school. All you need to do is you go online, either you go on YouTube, you go on Google search and learn how to start copywriting. I'm telling you, you'll be cashing out, you'll be making money. Because when you look at, okay, let's go deeper. When you look at your Facebook, you see a lot of writing. Everything is not about picture. You read through what they wrote and you feel like, wow, what this person wrote really convinced me. And I think I'm going to buy from this person. That is the work of copywriting. And copywriting doesn't have to be in, oh, I know how to blow grammar, or I know how to write that perfect vocabularies. No, it's just for you. It's just that ability in you to write, to persuade people to buy your product or to buy other people's products. So that is copywriting, and you can learn that online. Number two skill you need to learn is content writing. Like I am a content creator, visual content creator. Most times some of us run out of ideas. We run out of content. So if you can actually sit back and think, and you can think deeply, this content writing is ability for you to drive traffic to people, to whatever you want them to concentrate on, to watch, to buy. Then you are good in content writing. And with that, content writing is ability for you to persuade people this time around, to drive traffic, to lead people, to lead crowd to a particular product, to a particular place, even to a particular YouTube channel. Like for me as a content creator, I might run out of ideas of what to talk about or the type of video I need to shoot, but I can just get in touch with a content creator, content writer, and the person will say, okay, just write out a content for me. I'm going to go about it, what I need to do, and I'm going to post. So if you're very good, you're a kind of person, you know how to think deeply. You can drive traffic. That is, you can persuade people with your content to channel to a particular area, then you're good to go. And now this is also a skill. The content writing is a skill you can learn online. The number 3 skill you can learn is Facebook ads. Facebook ads is also an online skill you need to learn this 2023 and beyond. 2023 is here and Facebook ads is here to stay. And if you've not heard of Facebook ads, that is Facebook adverts. A lot of people put more of their focus on Facebook. A lot of people love or wish to be on Facebook than other apps. So because of that, they also advertise on Facebook. So if you learn Facebook adverts, you start teaching people how to run adverts on Facebook, or you start running Facebook adverts for people for their products. And as they sell, you cash out, you're making money. So these 3 skills, you can actually learn them and master them and start making money on YouTube. If you're watching me, you've not subscribed to Ojuolakpe Space, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The next I'm going to talk about, number 2, is the niche. The first one we talk about is you have a high income skill. And so number 2 is the niche. In my own little way of defining niche is just a word that has to just do with focus. When I say focus, this is what you focus on. This area. You can't focus on north, south, west, east. You have to face a particular area. So that is what niche is all about. Now, if you want to start an online business, you have to have a niche. You have to have that thing that you love to do. You have to focus on it. For the fact your friends are into makeup and you don't really like makeup, you don't understand makeup, you don't have to make your niche to be on makeup. You might like cooking. So your niche might actually be on cooking, not on makeup. So when you're talking about niche, you can't be everywhere. Is that you're a makeup artist or you're cooking channel or cooking, you have skill in cooking, or you love live vlog, you like showing people around, telling them how your day goes about. And now it's not only just on YouTube, you can do this everywhere, in your Instagram, in your TikTok, in your Facebook, and this will now attract people to come around to watch your content. And as people come around to watch your content, you indirectly, you advertise whatever you know you want to sell or the product you want to advertise. So that is the reason you need to pick a particular niche. So when you have a particular niche, people will know you for this particular niche, then you are good to go. Now let's also look at other things you can do online. Now you can also learn a visual assistant. A visual assistant is someone that can assist physically. You can assist putting meeting, acting like assistant, administrator's assistant, assisting online. Like a lot of people online doing online businesses, a lot of people are very, very busy. So you can also start as a visual assistant. You can help them to organize their meetings, people they need to call, the emails they need to send, and a lot of things, and you get paid. Then another one, you have to specialize in your digital skill. Make sure you specialize in your digital skill. When you specialize in your digital skill, it's going to make you to cash out, because all we are talking about here is money, cool cash. So when you have a specialized area of a digital skill, it's going to make you to cash out big time. When I say big time, I mean big time. Then when we are looking at specialized skill, we come and talk about e-commerce. Like the normal definition of commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services. And now when you put in e-commerce, it's talking about that is buying and selling on the internet. And so this now had to I have to now give some tips about them. When you're talking about e-commerce, you're looking at drop shipping. So you can go into drop shipping. Drop shipping is this ability or the way of you don't need to have this particular product. All you just need to do is market this product, and once they buy from you, you don't even need to see the product. You don't need to hold it in your hand. They transfer or send this particular goods to the person that owns it, and you get paid your commission for doing that. So it's something you can conveniently do at any time in time. Then that's why I'm talking about niche focus. You have to have a special niche that you'll be able to talk about for people to really get convinced for them to buy that product from you when you market to them. Thing we need to look at when it comes to e-commerce, we look at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not the same as drop shipping. So if you want to go into affiliate marketing, it's just a way of having you get yourself registered with companies, if not one, so that you make more money. You make yourself visible to them. You tell them you can advertise for them. If you're a YouTuber, if you have audience either on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your TikTok, and you tell them, okay, I can market this product. What you do is the company will give you their link, they give you a referral code, and you share this link in your video, in your content. Once anybody click on it and they buy from them, they pay you your commission. So it's also a way of making money. This time around, it's not like the drop shipping. The drop shipping, you really have to, let me break it down. The drop shipping, you really need to make sure that you consistently post. If it's, for example, a lady's gown, you continuously post lady gown. They will send you their pictures of their product. You post them, and once people buy, you get paid. But this time around, it's just a link. You just put the link. If you're a YouTuber, you put it on YouTube channel. You just put the link on your page. And once people click on it and view it and buy from you, then they pay you for them coming. That is in form of you are directing traffic. You are directing people to come around to buy their product. So in that form, you get paid. And so these are the perfect way to start your online business. And I believe with just little way of starting this online business, you can start online business conveniently at home. Even you don't need to go out, you don't need to know anybody, you don't need connection. All you need to know is master. If you don't know where and how to learn digital skill, you can go on YouTube, you can go on your Google and sit down. Learn it. Sit down, learn, and sit down, learn, and master every steps that it involves. And so you're going to be cashing out 2023. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. I hope this video has really helped you so much. And if this video is not for you, please share this content to those that actually need this particular video. Thank you so much. My name remains Ojuolakpe Space. Till I see you in my next video, I say take care of yourself. Bye.